Hey everyone, it's me, and today I'm going to be doing King's Court with Squishies. If you don't know what King's Court is, you pick two Squishies, not looking, and you pick them, and you just do which one's better until you have the final two, which you could pick, which one's better, and that's how you find which Squishy you like the best. So if you want to see my whole Squishy collection, go watch my Squishy collection video. By the way, I'm not going to be doing my big Squishies because I can obviously tell. And if I just put them in, they're obviously going to win. So it's like, what's the point, you know? So, yeah. So, let's get on with this video. Okay, so I have all my Squishies. I have all my Squishies, and I'm gonna be mixing it up, and I'm gonna be not looking. I'm gonna be picking two from the bin. So yeah, this one and this one. Okay, and I'm gonna be saying where they're from. This one's from Kohl's. It's this Mickey Mouse. There's not that much to squish. I think it's a French fry with some ketchup and mustard. This is from Five Below. It's honestly very squishy. And I'm just gonna put the laundry basket's right there. So I'm gonna put the squishies in the laundry basket. So this one. The Mickey is in, out. Okay. So I chose the Mickey. I honestly think it's better quality too, because that one's just from Five Below, and this is from Kohl's. So yeah. You can hear the box shaking. Got this one and this one. Oof. Okay, this one I actually had a wall. That's why it's all ripped up. I don't know what happened to that, but right here I ripped it up because I was gonna make a new bow. Never happened. This is from Five Below. It's very sweet, and it actually smells like popcorn. Maybe because I took it to the movie theaters. But look how it's so rising. This one I got from Claire's, because Claire's makes Hello Kitty. This one's so hard. They're both really squishy, so I'm gonna base it off on which one I like better, like how they look, and it's the Hello Kitty. I like it way better. I like the sparkles, the bow, and I like the brown. So yeah, that one. I have a lot of Squishies, so I'm gonna take half of them away, and I'm gonna make a different video because I have a lot, and we're gonna be here for a while. So be right back. Okay guys, so I took half of them away because there was a lot, and I'm making a different video. So I'm gonna use, these are all, why am I doing that? I could just show you. See all of those? Don't mind my bed. Comment down below if I should do a room tour. I need to clean my room. So if I do a room tour, then I could just clean my room. That would be easy. Anyways, let's go. So, this and This. Ooh, okay. So this, I got this from Christmas, but I'm pretty sure you can get it from Walmart, maybe Target. Ooh, this one, these are really hard, but they're really slow rising. But I think they're really hard. That's what I think. So, like this. This one, I love the sprinkles. So, miss, whatever, I'll get it later. So, this one, got from Wildwood, from Beach Bums. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm gonna pick two. Okay, so this one, it's very white inside. It's kind of weird with the orange. And it's really hard because I left it out in the rain. It's been through a lot. And there's this. My sister made this. This one, I'm sorry, I don't know where. I think I got it from Justice. I got this a real long time ago. I don't even remember. So got this, and I got this from Five Below. They come in little packs that you can make. So yeah, which one? That one. This one's way better. That one's really hard. Anywho, I'm just gonna pick two. Oh, so got this one. This one also came in the pack. This one has nothing in it. Like, it has no foam inside of this, so we're just squishing air. That's why it's so slow rising. I'm not slow rising. This one I got also from Five Below, and I left it at my cousin's, and my cousin got stuff on it, so they had to cut off the tail. This one's really normal, but the fake version of it. So sorry, this one. Okay, we're not making good headway. This round, I'm gonna be saving 3 to make it go faster. I know I'm really impatient, but it's been 8 minutes, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing 3 to make the time go faster, and I'm gonna pick the best one. So, okay, we got this one, and this one's another one that you can get from Walmart or Target. They're very hard, but they come in a really good variety pack, and they also They also come with slime. Yeah. Okay. This one, I got it from, never mind, I don't know where I got that. Sorry, it's a world market. This one, they'll be like, why this one, but that one. This one, I like it. It really feels nice. This part feels nice. I got it for my birthday and I love it. Not this birthday. And if you want to see what I got for my birthday, go watch my haul. This isn't it though, because I got it for my other birthday. But go watch my haul, because it's a good haul. And yeah. Okay. Anyways. These 3. Okay, I got 4. Let's put that one back. I got this, and this. Let's see the squish. This is from, what's the brand? Squish Yums. This is from CVS Pharmacies. We got this one. I really liked this one when I got it. We got this one, which we already did. This one, which you already know. This one, I don't know. This one's gone. This one, which one? This one or this one? I don't know. Ooh. this one. Oh my gosh. It's like, why did I do that? I don't know. I did that. I just did that. Yeah, I did that. Yeah. Okay, I'm weird. Okay, anyway, next. Okay. I keep picking the ones I did. I got this, this, and this. So, okay. This one from that. I don't know what that says. This one is a new one, which is from Michael's. This is pretty hard. Michael's doesn't have really good squishies. Well, they do, but yet they're really hidden. I found one that's really good, but it was hidden, and maybe it'll come up. I don't know. Or maybe it's in the other pile. I don't know. Which one? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, miss. I'm sorry. This one's good. Okay, okay, these are new ones. Got this, this, and this. Which one? Bathroom break. Okay guys, I'm in my bathroom because it's nice. I don't even know why I'm in here, but we're gonna do it because the lighting's really good. Yeah. So now we got this, this, and this. Let's see. Let's do a squish. Michael's Target. No. Toys R Us. Toys R Us isn't here anymore. This one was a keychain. This one, it broke. I had this one or this one by. I'm gonna put it on it. I really like this one, but I'm gonna stick to this because I had it for such a long time, and this design is so cute. It's like, so I'll pick how many I grab. Well, okay, I grabbed a lot. I'm gonna put that back. I grabbed 5. I'm gonna put this. So we got this one. I grabbed 6 actually, but that doesn't matter. And this one, I don't know what, but I'm gonna go this one from the dollar store. Okay, this one from Michael's. This is really good. And this one from Acme. The winner is this one. I actually really like the design of this one. It's so nice. It was backwards. So we got this one, and this one. This is one. Okay guys, I haven't even done it all, but it's been like 18 minutes now, almost 20, and it might be a little less since I'm gonna edit, but still, I don't want to edit 20 minutes long. I'm just joking. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye.